Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Verma. So our MPL project is on interfacing GPS with 8051 microcontroller. Basically, what is GPS? A GPS module is a device that uses global positioning system to determine the location of a vehicle or a person. So GPS has become an efficient tool in the field of scientific use, commerce, surveillance and tracking. This project presents a small application based on global positioning system. It depicts the use of GPS module receiver to find latitude and longitude of its location. The data obtained from the GPS receiver, that is GPGA sentences, is processed by the microcontroller to extract its latitude and longitude values. The GPS module has been interfaced with 889651 and the location values are displayed on LCD interfaces. So the main objectives of this project is to find the latitude and longitude values are extracted from the data in the NMEA format from the GPS module and displayed in the LCD. The information and the raw data is converted for the user has latitude, longitude, altitude, speed and time.
Hello everyone, my name is Madhav Tikam. I will be giving information for hardware and software components for interfacing GPS to 8051. In this, we have 8051 microcontroller which features can be classified as 4. It contains 4 GB of RAM, 128 bytes of RAM. It contains 4 register banks, 3 internal and 2 external internals, 4 8-bit ports, 8-bit additional data bus, 16-bit unidirectional address bus, 16-bit timer, 16-bit program counter, and data pointer.
This is flowchart of our mini project. First, we start the program, declare arrays and variable, then declare the functions, print welcome on the display screen and check GPS data on the virtual terminal. If valid data enter, we get longitude and latitude data on the display screen, then we stop the program. This is program of our mini project. First we import register value, define port 2, we define all variable, then we call 3 functions. Delay function is for give delay, LCD command sending function is used to send command on LCD, LCD data sending function is for print data on LCD, and LCD string sending function is for print string on LCD. Void serial function is used to activate serial port which is used to send GPS data on microcontroller. This function is used to count all commas. Void compare is for compare and count comma, then find longitude and latitude. Call function is for calling commas, latitude and longitude. Void receive function is for check data on the screen. Info function used in checking data. Void LCD shape is used in draw shape on the LCD like degree and comma. Void LCD latitude, LCD string, LCD data all are used in display latitude, longitude and data on the screen. Void main function is call all functions, display and show latitude and longitude after comparing and checking.
This is the simulation window of Proteus and we have drawn our schematic here. This is the main 8051 microcontroller onto which the code is loaded. It is connected in required configuration with an 16 by 2 LED display to show output on the screen, and also with a virtual terminal to provide some input. It is connected to an crystal to provide an clock. Now I will start the simulation. As you can see, virtual terminal is popped up and LED display is showing some welcome message. Now I will take some GPS data, that is NMEA sentences, and copy it down and I will paste it into the virtual terminal. So on the LCD you can see the output, that is longitude and latitude data is displayed.
Coming to result section, when we start the simulation, it shows the welcome GPS message on 16 by 2 LCD display. When we enter data on virtual terminal, it shows the position of latitude and longitude on 16 by 2 LCD display.